Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how to make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. Because trust me, once you make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, you'd never want to make them any other way, because Instant Pot will give you these consistently perfect, easy peel eggs every single time with little to no margin for error. So let's get started, shall we? As you can see, I have used large brown eggs for this recipe. But you can go with the eggs you prefer. And I'm hard boiling 6 eggs today, but you can use this same exact recipe for boiling anywhere from 4 to 12 eggs. For more than 12 eggs, it's best to start another batch. To begin with, pour a cup of water in the inner pot of the Instant Pot. Then place a trivet in the pot and place the eggs on this trivet. You can place these eggs side by side, or if there are more eggs, just stack them one above the other and that will be totally fine. Just ensure to not have the eggs touch the water or the sides of the Instant Pot. Then close the lid, ensure it's sealed, and pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. Once the pressure cooking cycle is complete, wait for 5 minutes before you manually release all the pressure from the pot. Then open the lid and directly transfer the eggs into an ice bath for 5 minutes. This will stop the further cooking of eggs and make them easier to handle and peel. Once the 5 minutes are up, start peeling the eggs. With this 5-5-5 method of pressure cooking, pressure release and ice bath, you'll get perfect easy peel hard-boiled eggs every single time. And you can store these eggs in the fridge for 5 to 7 days or cut them up, sprinkle them with salt and pepper and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you in my next one, happy cooking!